Okay, guys, let's go. Come on. Come on. Go this way. All right, now let's go this way again. Come on, come on. Now, just for those who don't know, this dog is not much. The brown dog, 5 High. He's about the size of a normal golden retriever. He's got short fur, but more or less. I mean, maybe a little bigger for a golden retriever, but not that big. That's not a golden retriever. Solidify that in your head. That's not a golden retriever. The tail at the base is so thick too. It's like such a thick tail that dog's got. Junk, 5. Let's go. My dog, 5, I don't know. He's not blind, I don't think, but he just thinks anything in the road is a possible dead squirrel or Come on. Okay. That's what I carry on me. That I'm willing to talk about. Uh-oh, it got blurry for a second. Don't get blurry on me. All right, there we go. Here, let's put it up here. Of course, the brown dog, he's the squirrel wanter. 5's got Chesapeake Bay Retriever in him. And Ridgeback. So, if anyone's wondering why this dog looks so fucking crazy looking, the brown dog, that's why. And Boxer and German Shepherd and Bulldog and come on, Akita. That dog's even got Akita. Come on, a decent amount of everything. This dog's got a decent amount. Mostly German Shepherd. I mean Boxer and German Shepherd though. Kind of forgot the percentages. And these dogs are extremely hard to walk. And when you're done walking dogs like this, you might as well have been in a gym. Okay? And you might have, and if you do the leash with just one arm, that arm's going to be so fucking tired when you're done. But that's how I like my dogs. I don't want them to be subservient, walk at your pace all the time, although it'd be nice once in a while. You know, these dogs want to pull. They want to tug, they want to go out and explore. So you got to let them have their happy-go-lucky side to them. Or don't bother owning a dog. Don't even try and tell me what to do either. Because I know exactly what to do with dogs to make them happy. And as you can see, these dogs are side by side, totally happy. Basically, one leash split in 2. I have to do that in case they get loose. And I gotta take a break right now because my right arm is getting tired from this fucking. And the funny thing is if it gets hot out, that white dog will quit doing that. Because she gets tired, or not tired, but hot. Because she's mostly a high elevation, cold weather dog. Not quite husky style, but cold, but pretty cold.